Let's take a look at this Parajumbles question. The first thing that you can do is look for a general statement. If you compare the statements, you will find that statement E is the most general statement. Authorship is a subject that has enraptured medievalists for the last 2 decades. If you look at the choices, there are two choices starting with E, EB and EA. Statement A says, as Sylvia Ward strikes, late medieval writers were perceptive of their changing status and strived to cast off the image. If you look at statement B, it states, much of the scholarship on this issue identifies late medieval period as a critical moment in the development of modern concepts of authority. Statement E is saying authorship is a subject that has enraptured medievalists, and B is saying much of the scholarship on this issue is nothing but authorship. So EB is a mandatory pair. And if you study statement A, you will find that it closely follows statement B, because much of the scholarship on this issue identifies late medieval period as a critical moment, and in A it is said, as Sylvia Ward strikes, late medieval writers were perceptive of their changing status and strived to cast off their image as lyric entertainers for a more authorial identity. And then we have statements D and C. D says the color of melancholy cites an engaging survey of the development of authorship in the late Middle Ages, and C says Jacqueline provides a detailed diagnosis of medieval literary references. So E, B, A, D, C. Hence, the best choice here is choice